OSMECON to a close, I am filled with a proud sense of gratitude and accomplishment. Our journey began many months ago with a shared dream of bringing back an edition packed with medical excellence, innovation, and collaboration. And we did exactly that. From conceptualization to execution, we had our faculty and our team working tirelessly to ensure that when we get the brightest minds together, magic truly happens. Albert Einstein once said, and I quote, "If I have seen further, it is by standing on the shoulders of giants." The person without whom even imagining to organize this conference was an impossible dream is our principal, Dr. Narendra Kumar sir. Never could we have imagined having a more supportive and dedicated principal and chairperson. Sir has always been there for us whenever we needed support, no matter what the time is and no matter how difficult the situation is. It is because of him that we could take the risks of doing things better and bolder because we always knew we had someone to fall back upon. Thank you can never be sufficient for the guidance you have given us, sir. My heartfelt thanks also goes out to Dr. Pariplavi ma'am, who is the person who started this event 14 years back and set the foundation for us to build upon. This event that you see today is her brainchild. We just happened to grab the chance of being a part of this grand legacy. Even though she is not physically present here with us today, we still want to thank her by the means of this stage, as words cannot justify how grateful we are for her visionary and transformative thinking. I also express my gratitude to our UG Academic Vice Principal, Dr. Padmavati ma'am, whose efforts and value are understated but extremely motivating. She gave us the strength to fight back when things went wrong, and we cannot thank you enough for that, ma'am. We also express our gratitude to our PG Academic Vice Principal, Dr. Shankar Venkatesh sir, Administrative Vice Principal, Dr. Nagarjun Chari sir, Dr. Sridhara Chari sir, Assistant Director, Dr. Nirmala Devi ma'am, HOD of SPM, who made it a point to be available for help always. Their presence on all three days has been of extraordinary value to this conference. My heartfelt thanks also goes out to our faculty advisors, Dr. Rakesh Sahai sir, Dr. Manisha Sahai ma'am, and Dr. Jyoti Lakshmi ma'am, who are the pillars this conference stands on. They make it a point to ensure that every edition is better than the previous, helping us with feedbacks, guiding us with innovation. We thank you so much, sir and ma'am. Without you, improvement would have been a longer and less trod upon path. I also pay my respect and gratitude to our esteemed faculty who have come here today to grace this occasion with their presence. Thank you so much, ma'am and sir. I also want to mention the support of our previous year's core team that they have always given by being just one call away and supporting us in the highs and the lows. Mahi ma'am, Manjunath Anna and Rahul Anna, thank you for constantly checking on our work, helping us wherever you could. We couldn't have imagined doing half the things we did if it wasn't for you all. And now, the real stars of the show, the batch of 2021, who never let us feel that we are alone. Always there, ready to help out, ready to take on responsibility, and most importantly, deliver commitment and efficiency. As we talk about 21 batch, I am filled with a mix of emotions, gratitude, nostalgia, and pride. We all worked together, learned together, most importantly, grew together to bring this in bringing this event to life. Let's hold on to the dear bonds that we formed, and let's continue to support each other always. I would also like to mention the efforts of our core organizing team. Firstly and most importantly, Abhilash, who is also the organizing secretary for OSMECON 24. We had never spoken to each other before we came together for OSMECON, but it never felt like it. Thank you, Abhilash, for tolerating me through my outbursts and for always having my back, no matter what. Our PR team, Amulya and Akshit, are probably one of the most hardworking and punctual people I've ever met. These made sure that you all got your slots, emails, delegate registrations, and these were the ones who answered all your queries no matter what time of the day. Our publicity team, Kavya and Manish, it is because of you, it is because of these people that you all were able to find OSMECON and OSMECON was able to find you. They are the reason why we are welcoming delegates from all over the country today, and our limit knows no bounds. Rasagna and Charita, who handle the content and creative team, as well as Sugunakar and Hemant, who handle the tech team. They work together day in and day out to make this college look like how it is looking today. Every single banner, poster that you see is carefully planned, researched and made by them. They really took it upon themselves to deliver much more than we ever expected. Arvind and Varshini, who handled the life and soul of OSMECON workshops. They coordinated with all departments and meticulously planned every single workshop themselves. They too deserve all the applause in the world. At last but surely not the least, the treasurers and event managers, Shreya and Rahul. Every single pen, paper, bag, lighting, water bottle, food, snacks, stalls, arrangement, photographers, you name it, they have got it. They are the whole and soul people who made sure that all arrangements were done on time. I'm sorry. And they took it upon themselves to deliver. And they did. I'm so proud of this entire core team who made sure that this event comes to life the way it did. I couldn't have asked for more, guys. It would also be unfair on my part to not mention those who have supported me in this journey throughout. Kader, Sanchidi, Harshit Bhaiya, Tanishk and Pushyami, thank you for existing. Thank you for inspiring me, motivating me, trusting me more than I myself ever did. They clapped so hard, I never noticed who didn't. My thanks also goes out to our juniors from 2022 and 2023 batches who are always just one call away, always willing to help. This event might be organized by 21 batch, but you put the life into it. I would also like to thank our support staff, Athar Bhai, Jagdish Anna, Ravi Anna, and Fahim Bhai, who always helped us with cleaning, plumbing, electrical, and security works. Their contribution too is extremely understated, but very crucial for this event. We thank our sponsors for sponsoring us and helping us make this event a reality. We thank our title sponsor, Doc Tutorials, co-sponsor, Next Steps, knowledge partner, Cerebellum, dental partner, Dentology, event sponsor, Gauri Shankar Infrabuild and Glenfield Mallareddy and Brain Hospitals, workshop sponsors, Ananya Hospital and Dr. Bhatia Medical Coaching Institute, other partners, Doctor, Polaris Medifabrics, JP Publications and Digina app, Preeti Urology and Kidney Hospitals, Next Gen Hospitals, Medivision Eye Care Center, accommodation partner, Oyo Rooms and snacks partner, KS Bakers. We are beyond grateful for your support in helping make this event a reality. To all the delegates joining in for this conference, I really hope you all enjoyed your experience at OSMECON. I hope you're taking back loads of knowledge and loads of memories. This conference is coming to an end, but our journey as healthcare professionals is just starting out. Let's carry this momentum forward, fueled by the inspiration, innovation, and camaraderie we all experience here, onwards and upwards from here.